Actions.
carry,
Carry. Carry.
When we carry something, we pick it up and move it to a different place.
Push.
Push. Push.
We push things away from us.
pull,
Pull. Pull. The little boy pulls the sled through the snow.
Count.
count, count,
Please count along with me. 1, 2, 3. Carry.
carry,
Push.
Push.
Pull.
pull, count,
Count. Full. Make. Since. Full. Make. Since. Each. Hurt. Late.
Body parts.
toes,
Toes. Toes. How many toes do you have on each foot?
Teeth.
Teeth. Teeth. How many times a day do you brush your teeth? Leg.
Leg. Leg.
a person has two legs, right leg and left leg, shoulder,
Shoulder. Shoulder.
We lift our shoulders when we shrug. Can you shrug your shoulders? Toes.
toes,
Teeth.
Teeth. Leg.
Leg.
Shoulder.
shoulder,
Hmm. Hmm. Worm. Worm. Farm. Farm. Foam. Foam. Words end with M. Mom.
gym, room,
Plum.
Loom.
Poem.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Let's try that again. Great job!
Count.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic!
Pull.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Shoulder.
Which one is?
Carry.
Good try. Try again. Awesome.
Carry.
Which one is?
Toes.
Fantastic.
Toes.
Can you point to?
Leg. That's right. Leg.
Which one is?
Full.
That is right!
Can you pick out late?
Fantastic!
Hooray! You finished a lesson!
Congratulations, you've earned a sticker.
Play lessons to earn more stickers.